Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. CR7 bro back with another video, and I'm gonna be driving my RC car on the ice, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna go on the ice. And so let's do it. Okay. It's a lot of sun. Got here. Let's get to work. Oh, the RC car. Did you guys see the RC car? Look. See? No. Get the beat started. I know it's a really sunny day. And that's it for this. That's it for this day. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications saying I subscribe, and I'll give out a free RC car like that. It's for free, and you guys can get it. The first person who turn on the notifications, they'll get it. Okay, bye.